All right, hello. So I'm just going to explain really quickly how to sign up for office hours through Microsoft Teams. So to start off, you're going to want to be in your Outlook email. So I have that open right here. You're going to want to click on the little like box of dots up here in this corner. Just click on that, and that's how you'll find this tab over here that says Teams. So you'll click on that. Give it a minute to load. Great, so once you're here, what you'll do is you can click on these three little dots. From there, you're going to go to calls. And from there, you'll click on contacts. You click add contact. And then I'm just going to search another instructor here since I can't add myself as a contact, but you'll search my name here. And then it should pop up because we've probably emailed before. So you'll click that and then you'll click add, and then you have that person as a contact. So for office hours, they're going to be at the usual time that I have office hours. So I'll be online at my usual times. And what you'll do is if you'd like to chat, you can just, if you don't want to do video, you could hit the call button or you can hit the video chat button. So that's where I'll be available. My office hour signups on Sign Up Genius are still available if you would like to sign up in advance for a specific individual appointment, but that is how you'll find me through Microsoft Teams.